Welcome to the Bigboomriver channel. Today I'm going to show you a line that is printing against recreational players. So we are open raising the Queen 8 suited, so far so standard, and we get a call by a broken stack from the small blind, so 2 indicators for a recreational player. The flop comes King 10 4 mono, and on this board we have 2 tendencies of recreational players. First, they will not find enough bluff check raises, and they are going to fast play their value quite a lot, especially when we do this. We see we're at 25%. I would highly recommend, especially against recreational players, to range bet most monotone boards 25%, because following thing is happening. If they have a strong hand, like a set, 2 pair or flush, they are going to fast play that in very high frequency. So you are getting a lot of information about or from check raises, and they won't find enough bluffs. So we are not going to just punt money away or not realize our equity. So we just range bet and we get a call. So that tells us already that the recreational player will have very likely some kind of drawy, medium strong hand. On the turn, we apply the same concept again. So the turn is the brick, so not many combinations that call the flop improve on the turn. So we filter his range again. We use another 25% block bet, again expecting him to fast play his value. And he's calling like one more time. So now we can exclude flushes close to 100%. Also 2 pairs and sets, very, very unlikely. So, and we did this double filtering now. So for sure we're not going to check back, because there's very big likelihood that he has a king or a 10, something medium strong. Of course, if we check back, sometimes we win, but we are printing money if we turn our 8 here into a bluff with a massive sizing. We just go for 150% pot, and with that we are going to fold out from most recreational players' range. So this line is printing, highly recommended. Check it out, and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. For more interesting videos, subscribe to the channel, give this video a like. Any questions, drop a comment, and see you in the next video.